Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm here with lots of new planners under rupees 2000. So, welcome to Planner Guide 2023. So, this video is going to be great because all the planners are just wow. I can't wait to share. Let's deep dive into it. So, let's go with the first one, that is the Artloom's planner. There are different cover options to choose, and the price of this planner is 1280. Let's see other details. So this is a dated planner and it has 120 GSM paper, that is really appreciable. Also it has monthly and weekly views, habit tracker, budget tracker and mood tracker. Other than that, it has elastic band closer and bookmark ribbon. This planner comes with freebies, so you will get a sticker book, bookmark, highlighter, ball pen and a canvas pouch. So let's see this planner from inside. This is the first page to write your name. Then it has 2023 calendar, so I feel this thing comes handy. And also on the other side it has all the holidays. Goodbye 2022, hello 2023. It has vision board page, and then they have daily pages to write daily to-dos or anything. Even you can use this space to just write how was your day, or you can just plan your day here because it has enough space to write. Wow, here these are some affirmations, and on the other side it has gratitude page. I really like this section because it has separate sections like you are grateful for an opportunity, a challenge, a life lessons learned and so on, which is really great. Then it has yearly goals page, and I love how they have organized all these sections. I mean, it's so thoughtful. You can write your 3 months goals, 6 months goals, 9 months and 12 months goals, which is awesome. This is the right way to set any goals. Then it has recommendations page. Say it with stickers. Okay, this is interesting. It has habit tracker, mood tracker and expense tracker. Then here it is monthly goals page, and wow, they have further break down monthly goals into weekly goals. Heads off for this. I haven't seen such types of inserts in any other planner, and I like this thing that they have given two different to-do list sections where you can write work and personal to-dos separately. This is one of the best thing this planner has. I am so impressed by this planner. I feel it's worth getting just for the goal part of it. This is very goal focused and action focused, which I love. It's very practical, and money wise it is closer to the 1000 budget one, which is amazing. A big thumbs up. Next up we have Giraffe's planner, and oh my god, they have so many options, literally so many. So I came on their website and I noticed that they have 80 plus different cover pages to choose your 2023 planner, and you can see that all the planners are so cute. Now I'm getting confused, so let's quickly check other details. Okay, so you can personalize this planner with your name on the cover, so I think you need to pay extra charge for that. Anyways, this is a dated planner and it has yearly, monthly and weekly planning pages, monthly goals, reflections and habit tracker. Also it has 3 sheets of stickers and the paper quality is 100 GSM. So it has enough space to write daily stuff, but really can't understand that why people underestimate Saturdays and Sundays. I mean, I have more work on weekends, so I just need more space for that. Here this is monthly page, and I like that it has different section for write extra notes. Then it has some journaling prompts. Also, I am grateful for intentions for the month. I really like when planners have some sort of inserts like this. Then it has most important goal for the month. This is so important, and there are 3 goals for the month, so this way you can prioritize your tasks, which is so helpful. I really like these inserts. There are so many colorful stickers also, and here it has separate page for habit tracker, but I don't like this type of layout. I feel that we really don't need to track too many habits. 3 or 4 habits are enough. Anyways, this planner is like minimal yet colorful. So the price of this planner is 1699. The designs, the prompts and all the sections are so well organized. Such a thoughtful planner. Go for it. Then again we have really popular planner, that's the Ink Buckets planner. So this is the 2023 The Good Life planner, and it comes with planner organizer. So Ink Bucket is already famous for their artwork. They have such a cute color combinations. So let's see what's inside this planner. So it has vision board, then it has yearly goal setting page where you can plan your whole year. I love when any planner has these sort of sections for different areas of life. Then they have monthly pages, and here you can plan your month. It has habit tracker, intentions and agendas. I'm looking forward to top priorities. I like this part, of course. It is important to set your priorities. It has expense tracker, new things to try. Then they have given lots of space to write daily stuff. Even you can use this space for journaling. It has weekly reflection. Wow, this is so important to reflect back on every week. So this thing is really great. Also they have other journaling prompts which is so useful. All the details are really appreciable. It has 120 GSM paper and back pocket obviously. Okay, so overall it's really great planner. I mean, you will get everything in it. Before you sign out, you can just go ahead and binge watch my entire playlist and make sure you subscribe. Bye.